Alright, so we're coming out of Ruskin Park boat ramp, which is like 5 seconds from our house. Launched the boat, not without a hitch, of course. First time we were still tied to the trailer, but this time I didn't put the drain plug in, so I started sinking immediately. So I had to put the drain plug in while making sure the bilge was wired to the battery so it could pump water while I tried to put the drain plug in. But we did it. Clearly we didn't sink. I better catch some fish after this. After a flop yesterday, we went to Sunshine Skyway and didn't catch nothing but a sunburn and an attitude. So hopefully today's a better day. We pulled up at an oyster bed. Unless I can show you that. We're gonna try to get some oyster crabs for some sheepies.
Well, this is my first time, so let's see if this works.
I'm trying to grab these careful because I'm not trying to slice my hand. So that's a small one right there. Could get that one, but we need a little bigger than
These things like really cut your hands.
Huh?
These really cut your hands up. All right, so hey, the tongs are working. We got these two fat guys, and they were like strong arming each other a second ago. Look at them. The tongs are working. Getting a decent amount of crabs.
Sorry about your arm. I think we're feeling crabbies.
All right.
Try those.
Let's try with this. All right, this is pretty good for our first time. Hopping in an oyster bed with tongs. Hey, safety first.
We're getting done out here.
Are we winning? I think we're winning, yeah.
Look at my bait.
It looks like it landed right on.
Spit it out. Fork.
Nope.
1 inch too short. Teeth. Not when you snap my dough.
Bye bye. Another one.
So we decided to head home. It's been a bust. 2 snappers, can't eat them. Alyssa's got a good idea. We're gonna fish from the dock where we launched the boat. We saw a couple jack crevalles there earlier. Probably wouldn't eat those, but they'd be fun to catch. Going under that bridge. If you look past my fine wife now, probably used to me saying fiance, but this is my wife. Turn around. Hello, wife.
Hi, husband.
Love you.
I think we're going to line out once we get under that bridge.
Ooh, okay. Change of plans yet again. We're gonna try and fish this bridge. See what happens. So we're back at the house. Clearly we didn't catch any fish. The 2 that I caught we couldn't keep. They weren't big enough. They were short by, one was short by an inch, one was short by 2 inches. When we got back, we found this handle was dented in, so I couldn't turn it to lower and lift the wheel. So I had to unbend it with my crowbar there. Today seemed to be one of those days that was full of trials, full of errors. And you know, I watch people like Blue Gabe and like Deer Meat for Dinner, Jigging with Jordan. I watch people like that, South Florida Fishing Channel, and I watch them do their fishing videos and how they make catching fish look so easy. While I know in the back of my mind it takes them hours, sometimes it takes them hours, or more times than not, hours and hours and hours, to put together that 15, 20, 30-minute video of just catching fish, boom, 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 boom. And I knew that it wasn't that easy watching it, but doing this every day, going fishing the last 3 times and catching nothing, is intense. It lets me know how hard these YouTubers work, these content creators work to put out fishing videos and boating videos and things like that. Lots of trials and errors today. Forgetting the drain plug, not knowing where to go, fighting against a current. Neither one of my anchors actually anchors properly, and we just get dragged along. Both anchors down, none of them doing what they're supposed to, so there's that. Going fishing, catching the crabs, none of the crabs worked. Shrimp didn't work, lures didn't work. Getting caught on oysters, getting broke off on oysters. It was just a bad day of fishing. But better than a great day at work. And so we'll keep putting out these videos. It's my wife over there who suffered this day with me.
And I'm planting my garden.
What a tough day. So when you have a bad day of fishing, you can always plant.
It actually relieves my stress.
It actually is pretty therapeutic. And so now I'm going to finish putting all this stuff away, and then the day is over for us. Thanks for watching.